This is showing how to log in to your Instagram when you don't have an email, no password, or no phone number. Let's do this.
You're welcome to Design Slider Tech.
Check your Instagram app and be sure you are not logged in to any account. Click Use Another Profile or switch an account to be sure you log out of your Instagram account. Then take down your Instagram app and open your browser. You can use any browser you like, but I will be using Chrome for this. We will use a private tab. I can see it here as Ignito, or you can go to the three-dot menu in the browser and click on Ignito tab. Depending on your browser, it may appear with another name like private tab. Then on Google search, type Instagram Help Center. Open the one with Instagram logo that says help.instagram.com, Instagram Help Center. It lands you on the home page of Instagram Help Center. Click on the three-line menu, then select Login, Recovery, and Security. Enter account recovery and log in. Scroll down to this section that says I can't log in. Then expand the drop-down that says Recover your Instagram password. Go down a little to where it says if you are not able to reset your password this way, visit this page on your desktop or mobile browser. Now, visit this page is a hyperlink text that is clickable. So open visit this page. If it takes you to continue on the browser, no problem, continue with the process. And if it redirects you to continue on the Instagram app, that's okay. Now, why can't you get into your account? Select My account was hacked. Even if that is not the case, just follow my steps carefully so you can access your Instagram account. Now you have to identify the Instagram account you want to recover. In case you don't have your email and you don't have your phone number, so you can just enter your Instagram username. Now, Instagram wants to confirm this is you doing this and not just a random stranger. So they want to confirm your identity by comparing your own selfie video and any face photo of yourself in your Instagram post or your profile. This means if there is no photo of yourself in your Instagram profile or no post of your photo that can match your face here, then you may need to try another option to get back your account. And if that is your case, you may need to contact Instagram support directly, which is mainly open only to those that have their Instagram account verified with a blue tick subscription. But in case you have photos to show your face in your Instagram account, then let us continue. Yes. Take a selfie video to confirm my account. Now, enter any email that you know you can access. It does not have to be the email on your Instagram. No, any email can work here. Just make sure it's an email where you can receive messages from Instagram to recover your account. A 6-digit code will be sent to that email you provided just to be sure the email is active and working. So open your email, get the code and input it in the right field to continue this process. Now get yourself ready to take your video selfie. Make sure you position yourself to face proper lighting from either natural light from the sun or from artificial light that is bright enough. Then read and follow the instructions that will be showing on your screen. After you submit the video successfully, Instagram will contact you through the email address you provided. According to them, it may take about 3 to 4 working days, but in many cases, it is usually around 24 hours. So watch out and expect the email from Instagram. After Instagram reviews your request and it is successful, you will get an email to show that they have confirmed you are the owner of the account, and they will show you some steps to follow for you to retrieve your account. Starting from step 1, it is to open the reset password link somewhere in the content of the email. So go look for it and open it. Reset password. Then create a new strong password that you know you can always remember. and repeat the same password to confirm you know what you're doing, and click reset password. Then you will have to log in with your username and the new password you just created. When it is asking for a code to continue, go back to that same email you got and then get the 8-digit code in it. Input the Instagram code in the right field and continue. If you want to see how to recover your lost Facebook account, how to recover your lost Gmail account, or how to recover your lost Authenticator account, watch these videos. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe here, and I will see you in my next one.